Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file your own W-2. First, ensure you have all your income statements ready. This includes your W-2 form from each employer. Next, decide if you will use tax software, a tax professional, or paper forms to submit your return. We will guide you through the essential steps to make this process straightforward and stress-free. Let's get started on understanding your tax obligations. Before you begin, gather all your important tax documents. Your W-2 form is crucial, showing your wages and taxes withheld. If you have other income, like from freelancing, you'll need Form 1099. Don't forget any documents for potential deductions, such as mortgage interest statements or records of charitable contributions. Having everything organized upfront saves time and reduces errors. Your W-2 form contains vital information for your tax return. Box 1 displays your total taxable wages, tips, and other compensation. Box 2 shows the federal income tax your employer withheld. Pay close attention to boxes 3 through 6, which detail your Social Security and Medicare wages and withheld taxes. Understanding these boxes ensures you accurately report your income and credits. Once all your information is entered, carefully review every section of your tax return. Ensure that all numbers from your W-2 and other documents are correctly transcribed. This final check is critical to avoid mistakes and potential delays. After confirming accuracy, submit your return electronically or by mail. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep a copy for your records.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.